Unifill Composite Dyeing Mills Ltd is a leading dyeing and printing factory in Bangladesh. It stands out as a premier 100% export-oriented dyeing and printing unit, operating under the Unifill Group since its establishment in 2008. Specializing in woven dyeing and all-over printing (AOP), UCDML boasts a monthly capacity of 2.0 million yards for woven dyeing and 500 tons for knit printing (AOP). Equipped with state-of-the-art machineries for dyeing, finishing, and printing, along with comprehensive laboratory facilities, it has swiftly evolved into a prominent player in Bangladesh's dyeing and printing sector. With over a decade of successful operation, Unifill Composite Dyeing Mills Limited aspires to lead the competitive landscape in woven fabrics processing in Bangladesh. Driven by the belief that customer satisfaction is paramount, the company positions itself as one of the top fabric mills in Bangladesh with its robust infrastructure, featuring modern machinery supports a fashionable fabrics manufacturing unit. Over the years, the company has not only expanded its production capacity and size, but has also cultivated a substantial customer base. Key customers include renowned names such as Uniqlo, H&M, CNA, Kiabi, M&S, Tesco, Kmart Australia, Next, Sainsbury's, River Island, Primark, LC Waikiki, Auchan, Teddy among others. Emphasizing product quality, timely delivery, and a sustainable business approach, Unifill remains a reputable and forward-thinking player in the industry. UCDML is an environmentally compliant factory. Out of its commitment towards a greener, sustainable future, UCDML invested on its effluent treatment plant, ETP, which has a treatment capacity of 500 cubic meter per day. For its excellence in sustainability, UCDML has so far achieved various global certification including GOTS, OCS, GRS, OEKOTEX 100, ZDHC, ISO 14001. UCDML also regularly undergoes social and environmental audits carried out by BSCI, SLCP, HIG, ICS, among many other.